Hello everyone, this is Eric RC Monster Garage. So look what we got here. I haven't done long time like RC airplane video, so I got the new F-16 80 millimeters. This is the E-Flight by Horizon Hobby that we sell at Motor Styles, and I decided to take one and actually build it and show you how to fly it and everything. Now this airplane is so big, but then when I open the box, it's so beautiful. I did not want to do like a video of assembly because it's really simple just to put the parts together. So I decided to first show you what happened when you open the box, how pretty this thing is. Look at the details on it. So it's come in a two-part box. You have a top part is this, and then you have the bottom part, and then of course it's come with instruction manual, and there is also everything else you need. Like they give you stickers and they give you all those missiles over here. Look at those beautiful missiles. Look at this, it's look real with all the stickers and everything on it. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a quick video to show how pretty this thing is actually packed. I'm pretty impressed because usually when you get those things, they're not that of a high quality, and this one was just beyond beautiful. Look at this cockpit, it's already set up nicely. That's it. I'm very excited. I'm gonna put it together and we're gonna go fly it. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a couple cool maneuver with those airplanes. You need to learn how to fly the right way, not with a safe system. You need to control the airplane, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Now another cool thing in this airplane, you cannot really see it right now, but there is LED light inside of the tail that will look like a small afterburners, but this we'll see later on. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and follow us so you can see this thing in action. Bye.